Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiara and I make videos about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I'm so excited for this video because I'm sharing my favorite purchases of this past month, or like recent favorite purchases. I grabbed these chunky Chelsea boots that I've already talked about in the last video. I found a similar look to the Prada ones that I love, but these are way more affordable. They're actually under 100. I'm trying this brand out for the first time, and they are a UK brand. And I really like the sock part because I don't like when my boots are too big. This hugs my leg a little bit more, and it kind of gives you a little bit more flexibility. My second order from Ego Shoes is this Tong sandal. I really love the black sandal idea for fall in Florida. The square toe is super on trend, so is the Tong detail. In general, flip-flops for me are a little uncomfortable. These ones were quite comfortable, but I don't see myself being able to walk super far in them. I would wear this really easily with jeans and a structured tee like I'm wearing right here. Just so casual, so easy to throw on, and I think that they go with a lot in my closet. These are the leather Converse high tops with the platform. So the platform leather Converse high tops. These are the platform leather Converse high tops, and I love them. They're just such a sleek, clean look. The platform, you know, gives you that extra height, and it's really trendy right now. The leather feels great. It just has more of a luxe look, but then still very casual because it's Converse. Goes so well with jeans, pairs super easily, just even with the outfit I'm wearing right now. Love these shoes. They're just a great practical sneaker to have. This is a PR gift from MVP Wardrobe. It's an Italian capsule collection that's designed by an Italian influencer. I think her style is so great. I love their pieces. It's such quality. So this is a blazer, and it comes with a matching skirt that I'm going to show you in a second. It reminds me a little bit of Chanel. It's a heavy tweed. It's perfect for fall. I think you can throw it on easily over jeans, but then also with the matching skirt as well is just such a fun, preppy look, but also very elegant. This is the matching skirt. It's a perfect length. It just peeks out under the long blazer, and it has these great button details, 6 buttons down the front, and these little faux pockets. This ribbed polo dress is from Revolve. I love this brown hue for fall. It really hugs your body. You can see that it's quite stretchy, and there's that polo detail in the front. I think it's just such a beautiful, rich color for fall. I would love to throw on when it gets colder, like a really big, oversized faux leather jacket. This cozy fringe poncho from Abercrombie Fitch is such a great find. You can just throw it on almost any outfit just for an extra layer of warmth. Ideally, when it gets really cold, I'd probably throw it over a chunky turtleneck with some jeans. Here I'm wearing it with a long sleeve bodysuit and some faux leather shorts. I really like the whole neutral tones and having like a warmer layer just in case it gets a little chilly. That wraps up my video. You can shop all the pieces in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week. And leave a comment below letting me know what you want to see next. Welcome back to my video. My name is Kiara. I'm sharing my recent favorite outfit orders. I have shoes, I have blazers, I have outfits, like I have everything, including this shirt.